Hey friends, so today I'm going to make overnight oats. So for this you need uh, old-fashioned oatmeal, hemp mix. You can use any other mix if you want. Maple syrup, uh, peanut butter jam or almond butter jam, whatever you can get your hands on, and some crushed nuts and milk. So to begin with, uh, add I'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed oats in this mason jar. Let's add some more. Okay, let's make it 5. And 2 tablespoons of this. Let's make it 3. Okay, and 1. Let's add the nuts first. So this is crushed cashew, raisins, almond and walnut. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of that mixture, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then I will add milk. Sorry, I have to add some maple syrup as well. Okay, some more. And then milk. Okay. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty decent, right? Now let's give it a good stir. So this is how it looks after all the stirring. So I stirred it for like 30 to 40 seconds, and then I am going to leave it overnight, even though I'm tempted to drink this right now, but I leave this overnight and enjoy it. I'll show you a picture of how it looks in the morning. Okay, so try this. It's very nutritious, it's very healthy, and it can be used as a very nice pre-workout meal or post-workout meal as well. Thank you. Let me know how you find it.